MotoShieldPro Nano-Ceramic Paint Protectant is intended to give your vehicle easy detailing, UV protection, 9H hardness, and 4% less wind drag. Let's dive right into the process. Step 1. Clay bar. Mold clay bar until it's flat and reshape as needed to expose a clean section. Spray surface with water and gently glide back and forth, keeping it well lubricated. Clay bar can be used on paint, glass, plastic, and the wheels last. Dry the surface of the area and ensure it is free of dirt and debris. Step 2. Anti-swirl polish. We recommend a wax machine for best results. Apply polish onto the foam pad and rub it in a circular motion on the vehicle. Using a clean microfiber towel, buff wax until it is all removed from the paint of the car. Step 3. Degreaser time. Never pour directly onto the paint of the car. Instead, apply on towel to remove any oils from the polish. Step 4. Paint protectant. Shake well before use. Begin half a panel at a time, starting always from the top of each panel. Applying evenly using light pressure. Apply more drops when wiping feels dry or starts to drag. Always apply drops on edge of sponge applicator. After 2 to 5 minutes, buff out using a clean microfiber towel. Waiting more time will be difficult to remove. The surface will feel tacky. This is normal. Buff away until all haze is removed. Adding a second layer will cover any spots missed and give greater protection. Paint protection can be applied on plastic, rubber, carbon fiber trim, and headlights. Do not apply paint protectant under direct sunlight or in temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, as coating will cure extremely quick and not be effective. Allow 24 hours for the coating to cure. Vehicle can be driven at this time. Do not wash or expose vehicle to water during the curing time. Application complete.